Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to another special live episode of the Box Breakers here at Joe's Card Shop, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. We got a special one for you today. We have Joe sitting in with us. Actually, it's not Joe, it's the ghost of Joe. I don't know. He wanted to remain anonymous. I just blew his cover. Anyway, we just got this box of 2018-2019 Absolute Memorabilia NBA Trading Cards. Anyway, it features some of the hottest rookies of 2019. You get 2 packs per box, 3 cards per box. Is that right? So what is that? 6 cards? 6 cards for $110. Okay? You're guaranteed to get 2 autographs, 2 memorabilia, and 2 uncirculated cards on average. Wow. Look at these. Alright, these were specially hand selected by our newest method, unconfirmed method. Yeah.
Don't say anything.
Okay. We won't say anything about our new method of selecting cards because it's very special.
Because you haven't subscribed enough.
Yes. Once we hit enough subscribers, we're going to reveal our method, and it does work. It's unscientific, but it does work. Anyway, we're going to see what we get here. What do we get?
So who are we looking for?
What was the one guy's name?
Luka Doncic.
Luka Doncic.
The Dallas Mavericks rookie.
Alright, here they come because there's not much to these. They just come right out.
So the one in the case is going to be the uncirculated one.
Alright. So here first we have the rookie threads, and we have DeAnthony Melton from the Phoenix Suns. Nice. Might be able to get an autograph on this one. It's numbered 197 of 199, and it's a level 1. Looks like there's 2 cards in there.
You gotta open it.
Okay. Alright. Ooh, and then here we have Paul George from the Oklahoma City Thunder. I don't know what's up with this card.
There's a serial number on the bottom down here. Oh no, that was a name. Thought I saw something.
I don't see anything
That's
special
just
on this one.
No, there's nothing special. This is how they have the common cards, just like that.
Oh, that's
You
the
can get different colored ones that are.
that's the common card. Comes like this in this
Yeah.
case and everything.
Uh-huh.
Check that out, guys. I mean, for $110, it really should. All right, so we need to crack this open.
Yep.
All right. Let me get a sleeve ready for the one that we already saw. Hang on one sec. And we'll just pre-cut this like Joe at the card shop taught us here. That'll help protect your cards when they go into the sleeves. We ruined a Ken Griffey Jr. card by not doing that. There we go. So it's got a piece of the jersey. I don't know when the Phoenix Suns wear red.
He was with Houston.
Oh, interesting.
He got traded.
Huh. Okay. Well, maybe if you go to the game, you can get him to autograph that one. That'd be pretty cool.
That'd be pretty cool.
And speaking of autographs, here we have a numbered autographed Arvidas Sabonis, numbered 4 of 10, and it's a level 3. So I imagine that's probably the highest level. That is, looks like an autograph on the sticker there. Pretty impressive. That's one of our hits. So we need a sleeve for that. Also, pre-cut
He's
sleeve.
a really good European player. And unfortunately, when he came to the U.S., he was kind of old. So he didn't do much here.
Is he's still playing though?
No. His son's playing now.
Okay.
I think his son is a rookie now.
Gotcha. All right, so that was 3 cards worth $55. I don't know if we can get $55 value out of that. Probably not. Probably not. That's how it goes with these boxes. All right. Let's see what we got here. So let's pull out the one in the case first, right?
Mm-hmm.
We got Jalen Brunson from the Dallas Mavericks, rookie card. Could be worse.
It's a Mav.
Yeah. I'm pretty impressed that they come in those sleeves like that. All right, and then here we have Troy Brown Jr., level 2, numbered 110 of 149, rookie card. All right, it's level 2. This is Troy Brown Jr. with the game used jersey patch, 110 of 149. And then here we have Dante Dravincenzio, and this is a triple relic patch. It's level 1. It's number 17 of 149. You've got a piece of the basketball and 2 pieces of jersey right there.
And the autograph.
And the autographed. So that's a pretty cool card. I don't know that guy. Dante, do you know him? Never heard of him. All right, it's not just me. But we will put those in sleeves just because they are super expensive cards as far as I'm concerned. I would say our method did not work on that one, but one of our experts was not actually the one in control. Certain people have the touch more so than, say, for like example, me. I don't have the touch. I just know how it works. Oh man, so that's 110 bucks. Hopefully we can make some of our money back on those cards. Probably be hard pressed to make too much back, but maybe we can get half the box back. I don't know. Anyway, that was the 2018-2019 Absolute Memorabilia pack opening here on the Box Breakers. Thanks to Joe and Abe at the card shop, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. Stop in and see him. Hit him up on Facebook. Give him a call even if you want to talk to Joe here at the card shop. Not as if he doesn't have a million other things to do at the shop, but he wants to hear from you. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you next time here on the Box Breakers.
Subscribe.
Oh, AJ Lotus Warren mentions, make sure you hit the like, comment, subscribe. We are doing free giveaways as we hit certain milestones for subscribers. And at the 100,000 subscriber mark, we're going to be giving away one of Joe's vintage cards I'm going to buy from him at random. So we'll see you in the future. Next time. Later.